Welcome everybody. Today we are in 125 Ridge Road in Woodside, California. Take a look at this property right behind us. Now this property is estimated to be worth about $1.5 million. So in this video, we'll be taking a look at inside, giving you an in-depth tour of what 1.5 can get you. Now Woodside, California is a very affluent neighborhood. Homes here actually sell for $2-3 million. So the reason why this one's selling, which we'll show you in just a second, it needs a little bit of TLC. So, could be a deal for you. Now before we get in there, hi, my name is Justin Lee, this is Jeffrey DeJesus. We are licensed realtors here in the Bay Area who's helping hundreds of clients with their real estate needs. Whether you're looking to just simply buy or sell, or you're dealing with a tough situation, maybe you're dealing with tenancy issues, maybe you're trying to sell a home in conservatorship. We just recently sold a home in San Francisco that deals with a situation like that. So if you have any questions about real estate, our information is down below. Just reach out to us and we'll guide you from there. But with that said, let's go hop right in. Let's go. Let's go. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom with a 1-bedroom in-law. I'll show you that at the very end of this video. All right, so let me show you the kitchen, which needs a little TLC, a little tender love and care. Look at the high ceilings here. So as you can see right here, they also added a greenhouse type of thing where you can see the nature. A little bit more spacious. They have acoustic panels on the wall for sound dampening. Now, there's a secret room to this bathroom if you didn't notice, over here. Look at that, a secret door at the end of this spiral staircase. So what you could do is have a mini kitchenette like this one. So this is the highest point of the property that we can step out on. All right, come on, follow me. All right, guys, welcome. This is the entrance to Woodside. Now, this is the first entrance here, the main entrance. We do have a second entrance by the backyard over there for the in-law unit, which I'll go over in just a second. But this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom with a 1-bedroom in-law. I'll show you that at the very end of this video. But come on up here. So this is the main entrance that leads to the kitchen area, and then living room is just on the other side. All right, so let me show you the kitchen, which needs a little TLC, a little tender love and care. Now this is the original countertop. You see how dated this is? Lots of opportunity here to make this kitchen your dream kitchen. We have some original cabinets, probably almost 100 years old. Stovetop, fridge, oven, simple. Now let's take a look at the living room because I want to show you a couple of things here that could be a huge selling point. Look at the high ceilings here. Usually the ceilings are about 8, 9, 10 feet or so. Now this one is probably, I would say, well, it's 15, 16 feet, so high ceilings. If you just update this, maybe update the flooring, get rid of the fireplace, this could be a very nice living space. And up there is where the bedrooms are and bathroom. If you just open this wall up, you kind of put like a second floor balcony here so you can look down from. That would be an amazing feature as well. So let's go around here and now I'll take you to the bedrooms. So come with me. So as you can see right here, they also added a greenhouse type of thing where you can see the nature. Just think about it. This in the morning, you're sitting here, having your cup of coffee, and you're looking out. Visitors, people saying hi to you, maybe friends and family visiting in your nice, I would say 10, 15 car parking lot down there. As well as the backyard here. Needs a little TLC as well, but could be an amazing backyard. Okay, come on this way. There's a balcony here as well. Pretty spacious, I would say. And your neighbors have horses. I'm not sure if there are horses out. Oh, there is. Look, take a look. There's horses out there right now. Maybe you knock on your neighbor's door and say, hey, can I get a ride? Anyways, come on this way. So this wraps around back to the living room here. Now let's go upstairs to the second floor where the bedrooms are. So it's a 3-bedroom. So the first bedroom, let's take a look here. As you know, older homes tend not to have ceiling lights. So what they do is they have a switch that controls an outlet. So when you plug a lamp into it, you can turn it on and turn it off. Second one is right here. A little bit more spacious. They have acoustic panels on the wall for sound dampening. And then here they have kind of their own private bathroom, but also a shared bathroom for guests in the house. It goes straight through to the other side of the hallway. Okay, and then as we go up to, I would say, the second floor. I would say this one is like 1.5. This is the second floor, which leads to the master bedroom. So come follow me. Welcome to the master bedroom, and they have ceiling fans here too, and a light. So let's take a look at the bathroom here. It does have a bathroom. Now, there's a secret room to this bathroom if you didn't notice over here. Look at that, a secret door that leads to a crawl space in the back there. Extra storage, you know. And another thing is, of course, this master bedroom isn't a master bedroom without a nice balcony for when you wake up in the morning. All right, now let's take a look at the in-law unit, because that you can rent out as an Airbnb, which this homeowner did before she put it on the market. Okay, so let's take a look at that. Okay, so there's two entrances, like I mentioned, into the in-law. This is the entrance from the main unit, and then the second entrance is in the backyard. So let's take a look here first. Come on down with me. So this laundry area is right here. And then here, I would consider this to be like a common area. Take a look at this. Maybe put a TV here, like a living room space or a man cave, however you like to imagine this to be. And then this over here is like an office setup at the moment, but it could be something else, especially if you just open this wall here. It can be a huge area down here. So the bedroom is upstairs at the end of this spiral staircase. Now this is the second entrance here from the backyard. Welcome, this is the second entrance. Okay, so as you can see, we were just up there by the balcony over there. And then the entrance to this second entrance is right here. The door to the second entrance. That leads to the driveway. All right, so let's go upstairs, take a look at the bedroom. All righty, welcome to my humble abode. So bathroom here, little kitchenette. Now, since this is a single family, it is not illegal to have two kitchens on the property. So what you could do is have a mini kitchenette like this one, you know, with an electric stove, plug-in. You have a mini kitchen. Sink, fridge, and then the bathroom over here. Okay. Spacious enough for one person or two people living here. Of course, the bed, and then they have their own balcony. You know, this property has 3 total balconies, so very, very nice. Because we are living in Woodside, and they do want to enjoy the scenery. So this is the highest point of the property that we could step out on. This is a good view of the parking lot, which you could also add an ADU on, or another structure. And then the backyard itself is pretty spacious as well. All right, let's go ahead back downstairs and we'll close out this video. Some good stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed this tour of this property in Woodside, California. If you like this property and want to see it for yourself, come reach out to us down below in the description. And once again, if you are looking to buy or sell real estate or deal with some situations that you might need some help on, our information is down below. Just reach out to us and we'll make sure to take care of you. With that said, we'll see you in our next video. Bye.